What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your Windows 10 game bar is not working or not showing up at all on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First of all, make sure that the game bar is enabled in your Windows settings. In your taskbar search, enter game bar and you can open up the game bar shortcut settings window from here. Here, for Xbox game bar, make sure to enable this option. This will make sure that the overlay will open up when using the Windows key and G shortcut. It will also allow you to utilize all its features. Below, you can also change your shortcuts if you prefer other ones. When this is done, make sure to reset the Xbox app. In your taskbar search, enter Apps and open up your Apps and Features System Settings window. Here, look up Xbox Game Bar and select the application. In the Advanced options, scroll down and select Reset. This will take a moment to re-download and reinstall the Xbox Game Bar to your system. In case nothing helped you out, then you will have to make some changes to your local group policy editor. In your taskbar search, type gpedit and click on Edit Group Policy. On this window, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and from here, scroll down until you find the Windows Game Recording and Broadcasting folder. Double-click the Enabled or Disabled Windows Game Recording policy, and finally, on this window, make sure that it's enabled. Apply your changes and you should be done. Some games played in full-screen window mode will not display the game bar overlay, but it will still work when using the start and stop recording shortcuts. These videos will then be saved to your normal save location. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.